There's no such thing to be behind in life. You are where you are. And if you were supposed to be somewhere else, you will be there. There are no mistakes in this world. You literally cannot be behind. You can't. And when you truly understand that everything is unfolding perfectly, you will realize what's meant for you will never pass you by. So, it is impossible to be behind. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. The only thing you need to focus on is to continue to take action and just keep going. Kasi, dapat talaga nating maintindihan na lahat nag-unfold sa tamang oras. Marirealize mo na lang talaga kung ano yung para sa'yo, hindi yan lalampas sa'yo. Kaya imposibleng ma-behind ka. You know? Eksakto ka kung saan ka dapat naroon ngayon. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, tuloy-tuloy lang. Kumilos ka lang at huwag kang hihinto. Tuloy-tuloy lang.